Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of home aesthetics often overlooked, the entryway foyer area decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This space, the first point of contact for guests and a daily passage for residents, sets the tone for the entire home. We will explore the significance of thoughtful entryway decor, and I will share 10 distinct ideas to elevate this vital area. The entryway foyer, in essence, is the transitional space between the exterior and interior of a residence. It is the initial area encountered upon entering a home. Entryway foyer decor, therefore, refers to the deliberate arrangement of furniture, accessories, and architectural elements within this space to enhance its functionality and visual appeal. It encompasses everything from the selection of flooring and wall treatments to the placement of lighting fixtures, storage solutions, and decorative items. The goal is to create a welcoming, organized, and aesthetically pleasing area that reflects the homeowner's style and sets the stage for the rest of the home. Decorating the entryway foyer is paramount because it establishes the first impression of your home. It communicates your personal style and sets the mood for visitors. A well-designed entryway can significantly impact the overall ambiance of your living space. Functionally, it serves as a transitional zone, facilitating organization by providing storage for outerwear, keys, and mail. A cluttered entryway can lead to daily stress and disorganization. Conversely, a thoughtfully decorated foyer can streamline daily routines and create a sense of calm and order. Furthermore, it adds value to your home, as a well-presented entrance is a key selling point. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best entryway foyer decor ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Statement mirror. A large, strategically placed mirror can transform a small entryway by creating an illusion of space and reflecting light. Choose a mirror with an ornate frame to add a touch of elegance or a minimalist design for a contemporary feel. The reflected light from a well-placed mirror can brighten the space and create a welcoming atmosphere. 2. Console table with storage. A console table is a functional and stylish addition to any entryway. Opt for a table with drawers or shelves to provide storage for keys, mail, and other essentials. A sleek modern console with clean lines can add sophistication, while a rustic wooden table can create a warm, inviting atmosphere. 3. Area rug. An area rug can define the space and add texture and warmth. Select a durable rug that can withstand high traffic. Consider patterns or colors that complement the overall decor of your home. A rug that is both functional and beautiful can add a layer of comfort to the space. 4. Ambient lighting. Proper lighting is crucial in an entryway. Combine overhead lighting with table lamps or sconces to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A well-lit entryway is not only functional, but also contributes to the overall aesthetic of the space. 5. Greenery and plants. Incorporating plants can bring life and freshness to your entryway. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive in indirect light, such as snake plants or ZZ plants. A stylish planter can also serve as a decorative element. 6. Wall art or gallery. Wall. A curated selection of artwork or a gallery wall can add personality and visual interest. Consider pieces that reflect your style and complement the color scheme of your home. A well-arranged gallery wall can be a conversation starter. 7. Coat rack or hooks. Functional storage for coats, hats, and scarves is essential. A stylish coat rack or a set of decorative hooks can keep your entryway organized and clutter-free. Opt for designs that complement your decor style. 8. Seating. If space permits, add a bench or a small chair for comfortable seating. This provides a place to sit while putting on shoes or waiting. A stylish bench can also serve as a focal point in the entryway. 9. Key and mail organizer. A designated spot for keys and mail is essential for maintaining an organized entryway. Consider a stylish organizer that complements your decor. This simple addition can greatly reduce clutter. 10. Personalized decor. Incorporate personal touches that reflect your style and interests. This could include family photos, travel souvenirs, or unique decorative items. Personalized decor adds character and makes the space feel more welcoming. The entryway foyer is a vital space that deserves careful consideration. By implementing these 10 ideas, you can transform your entryway into a welcoming and stylish area that reflects your personal taste. Remember, the goal is to create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for joining us on Interior Decor Designs. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert interior design tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring interior decor ideas. Leave a comment below and let us know which entryway design tip you found most helpful.